we want to show you something that surprises a lot of people. Factory built doesn't mean cookie cutter. Modular isn't a limited product, it's actually a better process. When people hear factory built, they often think of a standard model with no flexibility. But the reality is, our homes are fully customizable. Layouts, finishes, exterior styles, and architectural design choices are fully tailored to the client. The factory simply gives us a controlled environment where everything's built indoors, everything stays dry, and the conditions are consistent, and weather never compromises the build. Each stage goes through repeatable quality checks, where our trades work in a well-organized, supervised environment with the proper tools and conditions. That consistency leads to better craftsmanship and more reliable results. This is where our process really comes to life. It starts with drafting, engineering, then it's followed by framing, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing rough-ins, followed by insulation, air sealing, drywalling, then our finishes, and then a final quality assurance check. Every station here has a purpose, and every step is checked before moving forward. By the time a home leaves the factory, it's already gone through multiple inspections and quality controls. The other advantage is speed without sacrificing quality. While the home is being built in the factory, the foundation and services are being prepared on site. This parallel process means there's no rain delays, fewer scheduling conflicts, and no trade stacking issues. Families can move in sooner, developers can deliver projects faster, and municipalities can serve their communities more efficiently. This process doesn't just apply to single homes. The same building science scales up. We build custom homes, bungalows, and multifamily housing, but also larger projects like hotels, retirement communities, long-term care facilities, and even municipal buildings. The fundamentals stay the same. What changes is the specification. Fire rating, acoustics, durability standards, accessibility, and performance requirements. Factory building is also more sustainable. Materials are optimized, waste is reduced, rework is minimized, and tighter building envelopes are easier to achieve. It's a smarter way to build for both homeowners and communities. So when people think factory built, we want them to think precision, customization, quality, and smarter construction. This isn't about limiting design. It's about elevating the way buildings are made. Thanks so much, Marc and Mandy.